What if you gave up sugar for 2 weeks? No added sugars, no hidden sugars, just a complete break. Let's explore what happens to your body during this sugar-free journey. Number 1, lose your appetite for sugar. The first thing you'll notice is that you lose your appetite for sugar. Those sugary cravings, they start to fade, leaving you with healthier choices. Number 2, feel less hungry. Without sugar, you'll feel less hungry. No more reaching for snacks every couple of hours. Your blood sugar levels start to stabilize, keeping you full longer. Number 3, experience less fatigue. Tired after meals, that's the sugar crash. With no sugar, you'll have less fatigue and more energy to get through the day. Number 4, lose excess water and fat. The first week, you'll lose water weight and some fat. After that, the fat loss continues, and you might be surprised by how much looser your clothes feel. Number 5, improved mood and focus. Sugar can affect your mood and focus. Without it, you'll feel calmer and less irritable, with better concentration throughout the day. Number 6, healthier skin. Say goodbye to breakouts. Without sugar, your skin will look healthier and you'll see fewer acne issues. Number 7, less stiffness and pain. Removing sugar reduces inflammation, leading to less stiffness and pain. You'll feel more agile and comfortable. So, what do you think? Ready to give it a try? Let us know in the comments if you've ever gone sugar-free or if you're thinking about it. We'd love to hear your experiences and tips